What is happening, everyone? Let's get into a bit of a recap from yesterday. I took a break even yesterday, and we do have that case study going up from the 1 to 3 50% off partial the other day. That'll be up tomorrow midday-ish. Being a weekend, we obviously won't be trading, so I'll chuck it up then and kind of go from there. So make sure to like this, and let's kind of look at what we're going into today. So this was a valid trade to take yes on EU. I didn't take it. I forward tested it. So this is one that I will actually journal or have journaled. In terms of what I'm expecting today, if we go on the 4 hour, we have now broken through this low. So these two options are now off the board. I'm expecting now we're going to come to this point down here as a minimum. Okay, understanding that this point can bring us all the way down to here because we actually haven't come into this demand yet. So that is very, very likely. I actually like that idea a lot better than anything else. There's a lot of money in the market here. And this will kind of complete this structure cycle this way. So that'll be very, very nice. So I'm wanting to sell this now. If we go down to the 15-minute, in terms of something today, I just don't think there's an option. If I'm being completely honest, I don't really see too much. So EU is kind of off the cards for me. We're starting at the lower low of our range. So for me, I'm not interested. Okay, nice and easy. Keep those rules intact. GU, more or less the same thing. We can react off of these points. But for me, I don't want to trade that either. I see GU on the 4 hour actually doing the same thing and coming further. At least taking, realistically, at least taking this low. This low makes sense to now be taken with what it's done. If you actually look at the 15-minute and we go a little bit lower, we have got a little bit of imbalance and a point a little bit lower in this point here. So maybe when we come to here, I am open to partially buying. Okay, so it's something I'll look at. If we do get the confirmations, I am open to that. That is literally the only thing I'm open to. Okay, so if we can get that, we get a medium inducement into a mitigation. We can look to buy that, and that'll look something like this on a lower time frame, something like that. Put up a little bit of liquidity and kind of go from there. So that's the only option I've got on GU. So GU is not too bad. 4 hour on USDCAD, we're now pushing higher. Okay, we're coming up to realistically this point up here. On the 15-minute, we've just got nothing to work with. Personally, not interested. We've already liquidated here and started to push up, so nothing there for me. AU, we are now creating that liquidity that I wanted to see. I actually don't mind. We're actually doing exactly what I wanted yesterday. I don't mind taking this low and then looking for buys. Okay, so I will, understanding that it's just against current market momentum. That's all you've got to kind of understand here. I am open to something like that. Okay, that is something I'm open to. So AU and GU, very, very clean. This will complete the bullish structure cycle. Very, very bearish range. We are getting, we've got liquidity here. We've got liquidity sitting along here, which kind of runs all the way up here. So lots and lots of liquidity. I really do like that entry. That's quite clean. Now, as for the DXY, we are now in this point. So this is following pretty much what I wanted to see have happen at the start of the week. So now we're in this point, I'm expecting a little bit of a sell-off, which will give places like AU and GU that buying opportunity that I'm looking for. Just as for EU, I just don't see anything. So EU will be off the limits for me. This is a medium inducement. So you can look if an EU is a pair you still want to look at today and you don't have as many pairs. Something like that is actually valid. Just for me, with the structure, I would rather focus on GU and AU. If for some reason those pairs don't give an entry but still follow the system and EU does give an entry, I may take EU. But for me, AU and GU are the go today, and we'll kind of see how that goes. Ending to the week here, so it's Friday. Make sure to finish the week off strong. I will be back taking trades on my personal account next week, so I'm excited. Really, really good start to the week. Really, really good price action so early in the year, which is really nice to see. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Got lots of educational content coming in terms of teaching you guys how I trade, so make sure to get onto that. Premium Discord down in the link below, free Telegram in the link below. And let's finish off this wing nice and strong. Stay tuned for that case study tomorrow. And yeah, let's finish the week off strong.